Hey everyone, today we're reviewing JobHire.ai, a platform that uses AI to help you apply for jobs by automatically submitting applications with tailored resumes and cover letters. But the big question is it a legit tool to boost your job search or is it more trouble than it's worth? Let's find out. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. The main view is that JobHire.ai promises to simplify your job hunt by automating applications and customizing your documents to match job listings. On paper, it sounds like a smart way to save time and increase your chances. However, Trustpilot reviews are mixed with a 3.5-star rating. Some users praise it as a life insanity saver, highlighting how the AI-generated resumes and cover letters made them feel competitive again. On the flip side, others report major frustrations, duplicate applications sent with different resumes, random incorrect information inserted, and poor customer support that admits issues but can fix them. So is JobHire.ai legit? Yes, it's a real platform with potential benefits, but it's not perfect. If you're okay with some trial and error and need help managing with many applications, it could be worth trying. But if you want a flawless, hands-off experience, beware. It still has some kinks to work out. Thanks for watching. Have you used JobHire.ai or a similar AI job tool? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Good luck with your job hunt.